friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see very important part of German grammar, and that is modal verbs. So what are these modal verbs? We'll see, and how they are used in a sentence. We'll see with few examples. So we'll start with today's video. So what are modal verbs? Modal verbs are actually helping verbs, right? Like in English, these are helping verbs and these help the main verb, right? So suppose possibility, then necessity, permission, and obligation. Okay, possibility, necessity, permission, and obligation are some of the things that can be expressed through modal verbs. In a sentence, if we are using modal verbs, all these possibilities or actions can be explained through modal verbs. So German modal verbs generally paired in sentences with infinitive of other verb. Right? Now, if you are using modal verb in a sentence, so the main part of the verb, it goes to the end of the sentence. Clear? Okay. Now we'll see what are these modal verbs in German. So there are mostly or basically there are 6 modal verbs in German grammar. So what are they? These are wollen, then sollen, then dürfen, können, müssen, and mögen. Okay. Now we'll see their meanings and then we'll see how they are used in sentences. So first one is wollen. Wollen meaning to want to or intend to. Then sollen meaning to be supposed to. Third one is dürfen. Dürfen meaning to be allowed to. Then comes können. Können is to be able to. Müssen. Müssen meaning to need to or have to. And the last one is mögen. Mögen meaning to like. Now we'll see where do these modal verbs go in German sentences. In a German sentence, a modal verb is usually thematically linked with another verb. The verb that modifies the modal. Okay, so this is clear. Okay, now we'll see these modal verbs, how to use them in a sentence, right? So we'll take one sentence and then we'll see how these modal verbs can be used in a different ways for just one sentence, but the ways are different using different modal verbs. Okay, so we'll see some examples. Examples are called as Beispiel. So we'll see few Beispiele. Okay, so we'll take one sentence. Suppose you want to visit to Germany. Okay, you are visiting Germany. So how these modal verbs can be used or you can use in a different way. So we'll see that. Now suppose first one we'll see the form of dürfen, right? The modal verb dürfen. Ich darf Deutschland besuchen. This is the sentence, meaning I am allowed to visit Germany. So what we are using here? We are using the modal verb dürfen, its form, right? Meaning I am allowed to visit Germany. Ich darf Deutschland besuchen. Besuchen is to visit. Then the next modal verb will take Ich kann Deutschland besuchen, meaning I can visit Germany. Again, the different modal verb, können, the form of können, kann, we are using here. The third one is Ich mag Deutschland besuchen, meaning I like to visit Germany. So again, we are using the form of mögen, modal verb mögen in this sentence. Ich mag Deutschland besuchen. I like to visit Germany. Fourth one is Ich muss Deutschland besuchen, meaning I must visit Germany. So what we are using? We are using this modal verb müssen. Müssen meaning must. Here in this form of muss. Then the next one is Ich soll Deutschland besuchen, meaning I should visit Germany. So again, what we are doing here, we are using the form of sollen. Soll. Ich soll Deutschland besuchen, meaning I should visit Germany. Then the last one will be Ich will Deutschland besuchen. Here this will is different. It is not like English. Okay. This is a form of modal verb wollen. Wollen meaning want. So this means I want to visit Germany. Ich will Deutschland besuchen. So remember, this will is different than English will. This is a form of modal verb wollen. So what we did here, we are using different modal verbs in a single sentence. Okay, the meaning will be same, but we are using different modal verbs. Then after using those modal verbs, the meaning of the sentence will change. Okay, action will be different. Okay, so the soul is same, you can say. The soul of the sentence is same, but the meanings are different using different modal verbs. So this is all about modal verbs, friends. So this is very important part of grammar. You should understand this. So that's all for today. If you like my videos, do subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thank you and bye.